Manda's kitchen. Today I'm going to show you very delicious and yummy cauliflower rice. So to make this cauliflower rice, let's get started. To make this delicious cauliflower rice, I need a whole cauliflower which I am going to put in the food processor. And I need 3 kinds of bell peppers, red, yellow and green, and sliced carrot, sliced garlic, sliced ginger, some butter to taste, and some salt, turmeric powder. It is optional. If you want, you can take. If not, no, you can avoid. And crushed red pepper and crushed black pepper and some basil leaves. So now let's get started. I'm going to put this cauliflower into the food processor and I'm going to make into a cauliflower rice, or you can use even the grater. I'm going to cut this and I'm going to put this cauliflower into a food processor, or you can also grate them with a grater. So I'm going to take all these things, okay, and cut apart, and I'm going to put in the food processor and I'm going to make it into the rice. I have cut everything and put in the food processor. I'm going to turn the mixie on. Look at this, how finely I have made it new. So this is how we need the cauliflower rice to be. Look at my cauliflower rice. It took less than 15 seconds for me for this rice to done in a food processor. And if you don't have a food processor, you can grate the cauliflower. Now I'm going to cut these vegetables and then we'll get ready. I'm going to cut them like this into long pieces so that it looks very nice. So I'm going to cut all my bell peppers, red, green and yellow, and the basil leaf, and we'll get started with cooking. So this is how I'm cutting all my veggies. I like them to be long, so I will keep it like that. Now all my veggies are cut and they're ready. First, I put a pan on the stove and my pan is ready. And first what I'm going to do is I'm going to place a butter into the pan. And once the butter is melted, I'm going to saute my peppers first. The carrot and the peppers, and then I'm going to take it aside. Now my butter is melted. I'm going to add the carrot first. So I'm going to fry them for a few minutes, maybe 1 minute. So it's been 1 minute. Now I'm going to add all my peppers into the pan. Just peppers, the carrot and the peppers, and I will saute them for 2 minutes, maybe 2 minutes, not more than that, and then I'm going to take it to a separate bowl. While they're still in the pan, I'm going to sprinkle little bit of salt, very little. How colorful they look. Now it's been 2 minutes, so I'm going to take this off into a separate bowl. So I'm going to turn off the stove and I'm going to take it into a separate bowl. Look at them. This is how they should be. Now on the pan, I'm going to add some butter, and once the butter is melted, my butter is melted, and now first I'm going to add some sliced garlic, and I'm going to add the sliced ginger, and we are going to fry them for a minute. And I have the sliced basil leaves, so I'm going to add half of it. I have this much, so what I did is I'm going to garnish the other half and I'm going to fry this in the butter. So I'm going to, and now I'm going to add the rice, cauliflower rice. let me add a pinch of turmeric powder. So now I'm going to give a mix. Now let's cook this cauliflower rice at least for 5-6 minutes so that we don't feel that, the cauliflower taste. So when you cook in the butter for 5 minutes, you'll get a nice flavor to it. Don't place a lid on the top of this when you're cooking cauliflower. If you place a lid, it's going to become watery. So we don't want it to be watery. We want it to be like a rice, right? So please don't cover it with the lid. It's been 5 minutes, so the rice is cooked. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to add the crushed black pepper. It's a teaspoon. So you can, if it is according to your taste, you can add it. And then I'm going to add the crushed red pepper, chili flakes, and little bit of salt according to your taste. I'm going to use this much, half a teaspoon. So I'm going to give it a mix. Now I'm going to add all my mixed veggies which I have sauteed it and kept earlier. So now I'm going to give it a mix. So just for 2 minutes, it's done. Isn't it very easy? If you put in the food processor and you have the cut vegetables, and it doesn't take much time, and it is also very healthy, and it's ideal for keto diet, VRK diet, any kind of, if you want to lose weight, this is how you can stay healthy. And this is low carb diet. You don't have any carbs in it, so it's very good for weight loss, and it's very tasty, very yummy, and very healthy. Believe me, guys. Now my rice is done. The cauliflower rice is done. I'm going to garnish with some basil leaf, and I'm going to serve it in a plate and show you. Look at my plate. My lunch is ready. So this is the garlic bread which I made last night, and I have my cauliflower rice with mixed veggies. So I'm going to eat this. So I hope you like it. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching.